Marion Energy has commenced a board restructure to support the strong operational and commercial focus of activities currently in progress. The company also provided further information on the comprehensive operational plan being implemented, and they are pursuing a prudent capital management strategy to support the continued implementation of the operational program. This includes the recent completion of a $2.8 million Australian dollar placement, renegotiation of the company's banking facility, and a proposed capital raising. Texon Petroleum advises that the 6th Leighton well, Tyler Ranch No. 5, commenced drilling April 7th. The well has a planned total depth of 9,000 feet and will take about 12 to 15 days to drill. Texon has a 70% working interest in the Leighton Project with joint venture parties Global Petroleum Limited and Excellong. Magnetic Resources has applied for an exploration license covering a substantial magnetic anomaly north of the Tallering Peak iron ore operation. The new tenement is situated 50 kilometers north of Tallering Peak, some 210 kilometers by road from the port of Geraldton, and forms part of Magnetic's search for iron ore close to existing infrastructure. Image Resources is about to commence the measured resource estimate for its Atlas heavy mineral deposit. The results of this work are expected to demonstrate how attractive this resource is to both end users and producers, and to allow Image to determine on a more informed basis how best to commercialize the project. Pacific Environment is inviting expressions of interest for commercial participation in its coal tenements in Queensland. PEV holds over 30 pending granted exploration permits for coal located in Queensland's Bowen, Galilee, Surat, Clarence-Moreton basins. All participation proposals will be considered, including joint venture exploration and development of all or individual tenements. Crucible Metals said the scoping study has been completed on the Corella high-grade phosphate deposit, located about 150 kilometers southeast of Mount Isa and immediately adjacent to the Phosphate Hill mine, owned and operated by Incitec Pivot. The study indicates that the resource is likely to provide the basis for an economic direct shipping or fertilizer operation, provided market prices continue to improve. Havilah Resources has finalized the Calcaroo feasibility study funded by Glencore International for a high-tonnage throughput open-pit operation. Havilah said it is evident that Calcaroo is a substantial copper-gold deposit, which can generate an attractive cash surplus at current metal prices. The deposit is somewhat unique in a number of respects, which may permit refinement of development options in order to improve project returns. For April 9th and for ABN Newswire, those were your stocks to watch.